Well, financially I've kind of become stalled on the Norton project, but this is something I've always wanted to do for a long time. I'm going to make a brooklands can, so I've scribed out just sort of freehand. You can sort of see the lines here. That's where I'm going to fold it over for the fishtail. And this one I've just hammered round on the stake anvil. I've never done this before, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm not a sheet metal worker. But yeah, this will be the fishtail. And yeah, this is not a how-to video because I don't know what I'm doing. I don't have a folder either. If you wonder why I wear a 3M mask in my workshop, it's got a dirt floor and it's really dusty and it's covered in all sorts of nasty dust, and you get a really black inside of your nose if you don't wear a mask. When I was finished, I put them together and they were perfect, and I was well pleased. We all know who that is. If you're wondering what's bubbling in the background, it's my acetylene generator bubbling away. Now I've got to make these little bits and weld them in. They go here. There's going to be 3 of them, and they support the edges of the fishtail. There's the fishtail done. I've got to make the rest of the can. I'll make it straight through so it's real loud. I wanted a really big fishtail. And there we go. I just got this engine. It's another JAP. It's a UCZ, but it's got the rear mag, which is much better than that other engine, JAP engine, which has got the mag out here. I'm just going to clean it up. It's got a bad case of mason bees. They've built their nests in all the fins. To clean all that out, and then I'll wash the whole thing down with petrol. It's all full of dead spiders here. I didn't film the top, but this was chocker. If you run your engine like that, it'll overheat. They're on all the sides too. This engine seems pretty good, but there's a cracked bit there, but I can repair that when I rebuild it. I'll get that built up and drill it out again. And it's got the head with the fins going in the right direction. But they have tapered shafts here, so you have to get a sprocket carrier made, because this is a rotary hoe engine as well. But this is like a universal industrial engine for all sorts, but it is a motorcycle engine.